Hi everyone, I'm Catherine Grill, the CEO and one of the founders of Neolth. And today I'm going to be walking you through Neolth's educator platform for teachers and how to find and access different practices on the platform. We're specifically going to look at some of Neolth's written activities like journaling and CBT and how you can use these to help your students. So I'm going to share my screen and we'll jump right into it. So I went to cloud.neolth.com on any device. Right now I'm on a computer and logged into my educator account and then went to the practices section. That's how you access the practice library. I show you in another video all the kind of search and sorting features you can use to find different content. But the best way to find a specific type of practice is to use these filters here on the side. So if I wanted to see all of the journaling content on Neolth, I would just click journaling. Now, these are written practices. They're anywhere between 5 and 20 minutes in length, so you can actually see the length of time on each practice when you're planning different classroom activities. And these are really helpful when you're trying to teach students about their emotions and how they're related to their behaviors. You can also, of course, always do free journaling exercises like a diary entry, but these ones here on Neolth are actually going to be guided. So that means that a doctor or a therapist has created these exercises and will walk you and your students through step by step how to complete them. So let's dive in to one of these. I'm going to click on identifying emotions. You can see that there's a pop-up that comes up and it will explain a little bit more about the practice. Click go to practice. And there you go. You'll see there are step-by-step instructions on how to complete this. There are prompts that you can have students do individually or in a group discussion in the classroom, which can work really nice. This one is about identifying emotions. So we go through different emotions and ask, think of a time that you felt happy. What are some of the thoughts that you had? How do you feel in your body? So really building up, connecting that specific emotion to body awareness and different thoughts and feelings and sensations that they're having through that emotion. Once you or your students have completed this, you can just hit back, go back to the practice library. The students on their own version of the app will be able to hit a complete button and actually get credit for finishing that exercise. And then you'll be back to the library. The CBT, that's cognitive behavioral therapy. Those are also written activities that you can do. Use your filters to search for CBT. You can see the length of time. We have some shorter ones, which can be great if you don't have that much time in the classroom, but you want to do an exercise. The best part of today is pretty popular. You'll see it's a bit shorter. This is one around writing down the favorite part of your day. You can do this, your students can do this. Just really looking for something that they can look forward to throughout the day or throughout the week. Maybe even writing it on Post-it notes, leaving it in their binder, leaving it around their house or around the hallways in the school if you want. So just reminding them that, they'll get through whatever emotions they're feeling now, and there's always something to look forward to. So the CBT exercises also written like the journaling, and they're really for restructuring some negative thought patterns. We call them cognitive distortions. There's a lot of information on our forum about that if you want to dive in more, but these can be just kind of great ways to change some thought patterns. Head back and you're back in the library. So the journaling and the CBT practices on Neolth are some great written exercises that you can do with your students to build up more emotional and behavioral awareness. We hope you enjoy these features, and I'll see you next time.